the thing is that you have to make sure this is just trading. You nothing comes towards me, you hit it. So you hit, if I hit, give me reaction as if I hit, you boom. Okay? If I hit, boom, back. He comes again, boom, hit. So basically, you're the one who made him punch. So if I'm here, the body is like a door. So if you hit him here, this will shoot. See how you miss? Yes? But if you just stay here, it will go straight. So now hit him for you. Okay? One, hit. Okay, now, see how is that? Makes sense? This is a push. In reality, once you're there, obviously you're going to step away. As you step away, you hit, boom, this will go here. Okay? If somehow this is not strong, that's why that comes in, but this hand is there. Boom. So that's why it's supposed to be hit. So every interception that you guys are doing, it's not a stop or pass. It's actually 1, 2. Okay? If not, 1, 2, 3, left. Again, in purposes, I hit, left, turn. I hit the bicep. Without hitting, you're not tapping. You have to keep in mind. Tapping is beautiful, yes? And we know that. So now here, it's not this. It's not that. You actually want to, here, you hack the bicep. So when you have the bicep, you can even pull back to hit the thing. With the same body mechanics, it becomes a lock. Yes? With the same body mechanics, it becomes this. Break it, stay away. I want to make sure, outside, I'm always on the outside. Yes? So that's why you go back to what you know. Right? So again, well, for training purposes, 1. There. There. Yes? And then, this is hammer hand now. So same thing like this. When I'm here, put him at an angle. So again, 1, 2, he grabs. Better than anything else, you hit. Boom, and that's it. Finish. But for training purposes, I hack, he stops. I break the grip, break the collarbone. Grab this, raise his head up. So that, flip over your heel. Yes, so now, as he's there, either you hit him here, or this. Look. Knee, pin. This. Up. And get that. Up. In there. There. This, yes. 1, 2, there. Yes, open up, boom, push, then down. Then you break it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Here. Inside. Pull and push. Once you break that, body, let go. See how you're there? So again, everything has a positioning. So once you're there, break. Even the first attacking. Boom, boom, there. Inside. See, now I move him. Alright guys? Right? I'm inside here. So you can either stop it here or move him, then push it in. See? Oh. Yes? It's always easy to move this movement. Become again. Well, right, here's going. Up. That. That's it. So again. Now, oh, here. Yes? Here. Go. Here. See? Slide. Hit. Around. Oh. Opposite negation. I'm hitting here. Boom. Boom. See, I'm rolling. When I'm doing this. There. Okay. One turn. Boom. And then. Alright, see how we stand up? Very nice. So when you guys are doing this, here, boom, outside. See, I'm here. See, I change here. See, when I'm here, I know what he is. See? See? I know what he is. I'm there, here. Now when I'm here, I help him back. See? Now he's here. Does that make sense? So now, rather than outside, I take on the inside. Inside, see? Cross. So again, I'm here. That. I kneel. I go. Alright guys, so I'm here. I hit. Cross. Now, I don't hit the bicep. I have hack. I go for the collarbone. So you want to break the collarbone. Once you break the collarbone, grab the shoulder, lift his head up. Step inside. So once you're there, alright guys, so I'm doing this. Boom, there. Okay. As I do that, I roll forward. Yes. His hands here. There you go. Super. I hit. Boom. Yes. So now I push. I kneel. I drop. I slide towards above the knee. I sweep. I hit the groin. If not, you will take it. Boom. And then tuck it as deep as possible. Then reach. Once you reach, tap the side of the knee.